guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Helen and welcome to Expression, the DIY channel. Guys, before we start, don't forget to activate the subtitles in the case that you don't speak English or you want to learn this new language. Well, in today's video we will decorate a flower pot with a beautiful mandala using dot tools. In the case that you would like to learn how to use dot tools or how to start with puntilism, I have a complete tutorial where you can learn easily, and I will leave the link in the description box below. Guys, I want to tell you this before we start with the video, that I planned to make this video a long time ago, especially for Mother's Day. However, I couldn't make it on time for very tough circumstances. Now I think I'm able to do it, and I want you to enjoy it. Guys, you know that we can make this idea any time of the year and we can celebrate Mother's Day every single day of our lives. Okay guys, no more preambles and let's get into the video. For this DIY we will need a flower pot or any vase you have at home. Before we start to paint our mandala, let's make the mandala pattern guide. You can use a compass or this circle radius master. It's more flexible and comfortable to work on this round flower pot. Guys, let me tell you that this pattern helps you a lot when you create a mandala, either for drawing or painting a mandala in puntilism. Now that we have the pattern guide on, we can start to paint. We will use acrylic paints and all our dotting tools. Let's start from the center of the mandala. Okay guys, now we'll leave the time lapse so relax and enjoy the music. Okay guys, now that it's done, if you want you can erase the pencil extra lines, but don't forget to apply the fixative varnish. Usually dries in minutes, but I prefer to wait at least 2 days cause the smell could be dangerous for the plant. Okay guys, now that it's done, we are ready to plant our beautiful flower. So for this I will need my mom's help. She's the right person to plant this flower. She knows everything about plants. She really loves plants, and since the pandemic started, I do it as well. Our beautiful mandala pot. What do you think? Guys, hope you like this video, and if you do so, please give a thumb up. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, your relatives and all your crew. And the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can get notified every time that I upload a new video. Please take care of yourself, don't forget to washi washi happy happy, and see you next time. Ciao!